Title: AstraZeneca and Quell's multi-billion-dollar dance for curative cell therapies. TL::DR, Big Pharma AstraZeneca whips out the checkbook, signing a deal with Quell Therapeutics worth more than a whopping $2 billion. Their goal? Push the boundaries of science to create curative cell therapies that could flip autoimmune diseases on their head. Curing type 1 diabetes and inflammatory bowel disease? Now that's science we can vibe with. AstraZeneca seems ready to change the world, or at least change autoimmune diseases, which might just feel like the same thing for many. In an uncharacteristic move, the pharmaceutical giant's playing nice with UK-based Quell Therapeutics. Their aim is simple, or maybe not so simple. To create cell therapies that could potentially cure autoimmune diseases like type 1 diabetes and inflammatory bowel disease. Would you look at that? We're seeing an actual example of money can buy happiness, or at least, it can buy a potential solution to some pretty gnarly health issues. Quell's getting quite the cash injection from AstraZeneca, with an upfront amount of $85 million. You read that right. And if that isn't enough, Quell stands to pocket an additional $2 billion if they hit specific development and commercialization milestones. Talk about some major motivation. We might be seeing a groundbreaking leap in medical innovation here, folks. Or we might not. Who knows? But it's definitely a bet that could shake things up in the medical world. While all of this sounds like a slam dunk for the future of autoimmune disease treatment, it does make us wonder. Why is AstraZeneca willing to put so much dough on the line? Is it their confidence in Quell's abilities, or a calculated risk they're willing to take to stay ahead in the pharma race? And what will this mean for patients? A potential cure, or just another expensive treatment to add to the pile? There are lots of questions here, but one thing's for sure, we're eagerly watching this space. How about you? Do you think AstraZeneca's massive investment will pay off in the long run, or is it a risky bet that might not pan out? Disclaimer: this article does not provide investment advice. It's simply here to spark your curiosity and get the gears of discussion turning. Please do your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions.